Jalen.
Me, Christian.
And me, Sierra.
And we're the Sides family. And today is Father's Day.
Yeah. And we're visiting our aunt.
We came to visit her, spend a little time with the family.
Yay.
We haven't seen her in so long. Hey, don't go so close. So, you know, we're here visiting, we're spending time with her and her friends.
Yeah.
And then later, Tiara is gonna see her father with her sister. And I'm gonna go see my father and bring him a gift. We'll probably catch you up today and see how that went later on.
But
for now, we're gonna show you a little bit around the house, you know.
So guys, we are going outside. We close the door. So, yeah, I guess I can show you outside. It's dark. I just go like in. So we're outside and we are going to show you around the house. So might as well, we have to go and show you around the house. So let's go. So here, let me just show you. It's like when you get in the house, like when that's the drive-through, and that's the way to get out. Okay. Pretty sure you guys saw. A bug just went in my eye. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that. Here I have my uncle's car, another truck to take my aunt, and another truck. So let's show you here. Guys, this is a car that I don't know whose car it is, but it's just a car. And this is another car. And over here, let's show you over here. It's cool. So, over here is just like, wait. I should show you outside before we get into that good stuff. Because, yeah. Come on, let's go over here. Oh, like there's so much stuff down here. When you go down, I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you outside, and then we're gonna go ahead and go inside because inside is more like pretty. This is pretty too, but like. So we have like this thing out here. It's like a bunch of rocks, and there's some pretty flowers, and they're daisies. Watch, I'm gonna get close so you guys can see them. Look at these pretty daisies. Oh, and see, they're so pretty. I know you guys must be like, are those fake? But they're so pretty and they're real. So guys, maybe I'll go in 5 and below, and maybe I can get some blind bags so we can open it with you guys. So, yeah, come here. So she's just driving me crazy. Jadalyn, come here. Okay, so we're gonna show you out, inside. So like, this is like here. Okay, so there's a bee around me, so I don't want it to be around me. So it's probably like, just like a little bit that I show you, but there was a bee around me, and I didn't like it, so, yeah. I'm walking with my sandals like this. So, okay, so I'm gonna go show you inside the house. And yeah. I don't know. So this is when you walk in. This is like a pretty painting. Things to hold keys. A fire hose. This is a really top kitchen table. This is a mirror. I'll show you the bathroom. Here is a bathroom. Show you closer with the light on. Like the bathroom. Stuff like that. Sorry guys if I'm not talking loud because it's my first vlog. So it's kind of weird. Let me show you. So this is my aunt's room. So this is my aunt's room. She has her bed and everything here. So she loves the close to you. Sorry, my thumb is in the way. But she loves the Red Sox. So Jalen was just like outside looking for me. Told her I was gonna come inside. This is the kid. So guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you comment down below. And make sure you check out my makeup video. It's called whatever it says when it all got wrong. And then my sister was doing my makeup, so make sure you go check that video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you smash that like button. And there's one room I didn't actually show you that I'm not supposed to, but you can actually see it. It's right here in the window to like show you. This is like, I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to like make it focus. Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, I think it's focused really quick. And it's really nice. And it's just like, yeah. So make sure you like this video again. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure, comment down below. Would you rather have a big house or just like have an apartment? I mean, to start off, I would have an apartment if I was grown because like it's an apartment. Like you don't need like all that kind of stuff and stuff like that. So put a heart emoji and put a building emoji or a house emoji, which one you have. Make sure you subscribe again because I really want a like. And guys, if you unlike our videos, I'm totally fine with that. If you don't like our videos, I'm totally fine with that. Because like, we are actually beautiful. Okay, we're a beautiful family. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm leaving. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And bye. And please like.